Abby and Brittany finally got separated for the first time ever. Abby and Brittany Hensel, the world-famous conjoined twins from Minnesota, have inspired millions with their story of resilience, unity, and determination. Born in 1990, they share a single body but possess two distinct heads, giving them unique personalities, preferences, and dreams. For decades, their lives have been a testament to the power of cooperation and mutual respect as they accomplished what many thought was impossible, from graduating college to becoming teachers. Despite the challenges of their unique condition, they have thrived as one of the world's most extraordinary sibling pairs. Over the years, the question of whether Abby and Brittany would ever pursue separation hovered in the background. For most of their lives, they had no desire to undergo such a procedure, citing the risks in their deeply intertwined lives. However, as they entered their 30s, the sisters began contemplating the idea of living as individuals, driven by their evolving dreams and aspirations. The decision, coupled with medical advancements, ultimately led to one of the most groundbreaking surgeries in history, the physical separation of Abby and Brittany Hensel. This momentous event marks the beginning of a new chapter in their incredible journey. Years of unity, a singular life. From an early age, Abby and Brittany defied expectations. As dicephalic parapagus twins, they share a body with two spines merging into one, two hearts, two stomachs, and separate lungs. Yet many other organs and systems are shared. Their ability to work in harmony, controlling one side of their body each, has always been nothing short of remarkable. The twins learned early on to coordinate movements like walking, riding, and even driving. They developed a deep understanding of each other's needs, forming a bond that transcended verbal communication. Whether it was attending school, playing sports, or performing daily tasks, their teamwork allowed them to lead a surprisingly normal life. Despite their shared existence, Abby and Brittany have always celebrated their individuality. Abby, the more analytical and reserved sister, gravitated toward mathematics and structure. Brittany, on the other hand, embraced her artistic and outgoing nature. Their distinct personalities often complemented each other, creating a balance that made their shared life both functional and fulfilling. For many years, the sisters dismissed the idea of separation. They valued their unity and feared the risks involved in such a complex procedure. However, as they grew older and began pursuing personal goals, they recognized that the limitations of their shared body sometimes hindered their aspirations. The thought of experiencing life as individuals, while daunting, became an increasingly appealing prospect. The decision to separate. Deciding to pursue separation was not an easy choice for Abby and Brittany. The sisters spent years contemplating the emotional and physical implications of such a drastic change. The surgery would involve untangling their shared organs and systems, a process fraught with risks, including the possibility of losing one or both of their lives. Despite these concerns, their desire for independence ultimately outweighed their fears. As they moved closer to their 30s, Abby and Brittany began consulting with a team of medical experts to evaluate the feasibility of separation. Advances in imaging technology, tissue engineering, and surgical techniques offered new hope for a safe and successful procedure. These consultations were not just about the technical aspects of separation, but also about preparing the twins for the emotional and psychological impact of living separate lives. What ultimately solidified their decision was the realization that separation would allow them to fully embrace their individuality. Abby and Brittany each had dreams that required more autonomy than their shared body could provide. For Abby, the opportunity to delve deeper into her academic interests was a driving force. For Brittany, the chance to express her creativity without physical limitations was equally compelling. Medical breakthroughs make the impossible possible. For decades, the separation of Abby and Brittany was considered an impossibility. Their shared anatomy made the risks too great, and many doctors believed the procedure would be fatal or leave both twins severely impaired. However, recent advancements in medical science changed the equation. A team of specialists spent years analyzing the twins' unique physiology. Using cutting-edge imaging techniques, they created detailed 3D models of their internal structures, mapping every organ, blood vessel, and nerve. This meticulous planning allowed the team to design a step-by-step surgical plan tailored specifically to Abby and Brittany. One of the most significant breakthroughs came from the field of tissue engineering. Scientists developed bioengineered tissues to replace shared organs, such as the liver and digestive systems, ensuring that each twin would have functional replacements post-surgery. Additionally, custom prosthetics were designed to support their skeletal structure, particularly their spines, which required precise adjustments to maintain balance and mobility. The procedure would be conducted in stages to minimize risks and allow the twins' bodies to adjust gradually. While the surgery was incredibly complex, the medical team's confidence grew as preparations progressed. Abby and Brittany, too, found reassurance in the expertise and dedication of the professionals guiding them through this life-changing process. The day of separation. The surgery was a historic event, attracting global attention and marking a significant milestone in medical history. Conducted in a state-of-the-art facility, the procedure brought together over 50 specialists, including surgeons, anesthesiologists, and rehabilitation experts. The first stage focused on separating the twins' circulatory and digestive systems. Using advanced microsurgery techniques, doctors meticulously divided shared blood vessels and organs while ensuring that each twin retained sufficient functionality. This phase required extraordinary precision, as even a small mistake could have catastrophic consequences. The second phase involved separating their skeletal system and reconstructing their spines. Engineers had designed custom implants to provide stability and mobility for each sister post-surgery. This step was particularly challenging, as the alignment of their spines was crucial to their long-term health. Finally, shared organs were divided or replaced using bioengineered tissues. This phase represented the culmination of years of research and innovation, as the success of these replacements would determine the twins' ability to live independently. After several grueling days, the surgery was complete. For the first time in their lives, Abby and Brittany were physically separate individuals. While the procedure had been fraught with risks, it was a resounding success, thanks to the meticulous planning and extraordinary skill of the medical team. Life after separation. Adjusting to life as separate individuals was both exciting and challenging for Abby and Brittany. Simple tasks, like moving an arm or turning their heads, required significant effort as their bodies adapted to their new realities. Physical therapy became an essential part of their recovery, helping them build strength, coordination, and confidence. Emotionally, the transition was just as profound. For two people who had spent every moment of their lives together, the experience of independence was both liberating and surreal. Abby and Brittany frequently leaned on each other for support, proving that their bond was unbreakable despite their physical separation. The sisters embraced their newfound autonomy with determination and optimism. Abby pursued her academic passions, delving into advanced mathematics and exploring opportunities in education. Brittany, meanwhile, channeled her artistic talents into creative projects, from painting to writing. Both sisters found joy in discovering their individual identities while cherishing the shared experiences that had shaped their lives. A legacy of inspiration. The separation of Abby and Brittany Hensel was more than a medical triumph. It was a story of courage, perseverance, and the unyielding strength of the human spirit. Their journey captivated the world, inspiring countless people to face challenges with resilience and hope. For the medical community, their case represented a groundbreaking achievement, showcasing the potential of innovation and collaboration to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. The lessons learned from their procedure have the potential to transform the treatment of conjoined twins and other complex medical conditions, offering hope to families around the globe. For Abby and Brittany, the separation marked the beginning of a new chapter in their extraordinary lives. While their physical bond had been altered, their emotional connection remained as strong as ever. They continued to support each other, celebrate their individuality, and inspire those around them with their unwavering positivity. A future filled with possibilities. Today, Abby and Brittany are thriving as individuals, each forging her own path while remaining deeply connected to her sister. Their story is a testament to the power of love, resilience, and the human capacity for growth. Their separation wasn't just a medical milestone. It was a reminder that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome with courage, determination, and the support of others. Abby and Brittany's journey continues to inspire people around the world, proving that unity and individuality can coexist in the most extraordinary ways.